Hello there guys, and welcome to another video on Sepa channel. Today's short video is gonna be about how to resize videos in Premiere Pro and how to arrange the layers, making sure you are going to see the layer that you actually want to see. So the video that you want to have at the top. It might sound a little bit silly not knowing how to resize a video, but hey, until you actually either discover by yourself or you see from somebody else, you may not find out. So let's just go ahead and cover this part. Now, as you can see, we do have already some videos in here that we worked. So this is the project for the last video that we had released. I'm gonna link it down below, and that's to cover some sound issues in Adobe. What we need to do, first things first, will be to select the video that we want to resize. And actually this is the perfect project to work in, given the fact that we have two videos on it. So we select the layer first in the timeline, and then we select the video in the preview side. Double click on it, and then we will be able to move it. If you want to resize it, just grab and extend. It's so easy. Honestly, it's so easy. It looks like paint sometimes. So again, make sure we select the proper layer, the proper video, and then we click on it. We select the preview, yeah, and then we double click on the video itself, and that will select the video. Yeah, and as you can see, this video, it's on top of the video that's on the background. So let's go ahead and show you guys that you're gonna be able to do the same thing. So we select the proper video in the timeline, then we double click, we select, double click, and that will select the video in the background. So if you guys want to change the order of the layers, you're just gonna have to click on the video itself and then drag it and move it upwards. Yeah, and that will put the video on pretty much on top of every other video or photo that you have. Let's do the same thing here. Yeah, we grab it, we put it back, and as you can see, this one now it's on top. Let's try the same thing with the logo that we have. Okay, click on the logo. We're going to extend it so we can better see it, and let's jungle a little bit with it. Yeah, so we grab the video that's with me and we move it on top of the logo, and that will show the video itself as being the first layer, and that's gonna come forward. Well guys, I do hope you actually enjoyed this video. Let us know if you'd like to post more tips and tricks about how to quickly learn Adobe Premiere Pro. Apart from that, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, and hit the bell button.